Okay, this is a demo for Upstream. Upstream allows you to make changes on running applications without you having to redeploy code or restart the application, and it's all done through web UI. So to begin, I'm going to add a property and I'm going to call it show photo. And its default value is going to be false for now. And a property is an object that we're going to embed in applications and use it to control it. So you can also see in this panel that we have logs and stats that we can use to debug and monitor activity. So I'm going to grab this property ID and paste it on a React app, which essentially just shows up an image or not, depending on the property value. So because it's false, it doesn't show us anything, but if I change it to true, now we can start to modify the behavior of this app by flipping it. Now, what makes Upstream special is that it allows you to send context, and it has a rule engine to evaluate it as well. So I'm going to comment out this example and enable a new one. In this example, what we're going to do is we're going to send the application runtime context to Upstream, and Upstream is going to evaluate it and return a different value. So in this case, I'm sending that the user ID is test ID and the platform is macOS. So what I need to do is I'm going to create a property here that says show image given context. And by default, it's going to be false as well, but I'm going to now add a rule. And in this rule, I'm going to say if the user ID is the test ID and the platform is macOS, then I am going to return true. And so Upstream allows you to define arbitrarily complex logic through rules and tests, and that's going to help you to dynamically change the behavior of your application. So I'm going to grab this this ID and paste it here, and then if we come here, we're now getting an image. For example, what would happen if my context did not match my rule? So let's say that this was Android, then we wouldn't get an image. And so that's what Upstream is. It allows you to make changes on running applications without having to restart them or redeploy code, and it's all done through a web UI. Thanks.